Take a look at the BYCOL and BYROW functions in Excel. So what this is doing right here is it takes this row right here, this array A3 to B4, and A3 to B4 is about right here, right? We want to see that. But what it's doing is it's taking this row and it goes down that entire array and finds the min value and spills that out. So here we have A3 to B4, this row right here, BYROW, A3 to B4, the min is 6. Then we can see right here, it pulls this out, and it says the min is 10. So it goes horizontally instead of the other way to let you pull those values out. Very cool stuff. Now let's take a look at the column function. So then it flips it to the column. So we have this column right here, right? And it's going to go 10, 20. And what we're doing right here is we are summing it. As you can see, the sum is selected. So we are summing it right here through the A3 B4 array, but it's going down that column. And then it loops back over to the second column with the banana, 6, 10, 16, and then there you have it, guys. That BYCOL function is bringing this together and pulling up sum 16. So BYCOL A3 to B4, A3 to B4 is right here. But one of the cool things is it keeps going. You don't have to write another sum function. It's going through the entire array and just going down each column and putting that function in. So summing this up, summing that up, and then the BYROW did the sum horizontally. So these are really powerful functions in Excel. The BYROW and BYCOL functions do a lot of great things and really help you.